Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to deploy this type of HTML files onto some server so that it is available globally. So let's see how you can deploy this. So you need to open a new tab and go to Edgeone pages drop. So just search Edgeone pages drop and go to their site. I'm going to provide this link on our video description. So here you need to put your domain name first. So this is a Valentine project. So I'm going to give a domain name like my Valentine Aditi. Because I have developed this for Aditi, you can give any name you want and it will be edge1.app. Next, you need to select a file, go to your project, select that file and OK. This is rightly added, start deployment. It can be a folder, multiple files, everything. For me, it is just a single file, so that's why I am uploading just a single file, but it could be multiple files as well, totally fine. So it's successfully deployed. So you can already click on this and you can see it is rightly available on this URL, but it will be only available for 1 hour, but you can always create a new account so that you get it lifetime. So just click on sign up for free. So here you need to provide all the details and click on get a code. You have to do this captcha first and a code will be sent to your account. So just put that code, accept all this and click on sign up for free. So it's signed in and you can see that it is up and running. So you can click on this again and there it is. It is properly hosted and deployed and it is available globally. So you can share this with anyone you want. So that's how you deploy HTML file. By the way, if you need source code for this project, it is available on our official geekyscript.com GitHub account. So on repositories, you will get this project. Valentine date, no is not an option. And on my previous videos, I have also showed you how you can use these GitHub pages for deploying this type of website. So that's basically all about this video. Please do subscribe our Geeky Script channel and also join our community for more such videos. And if you're interested on WordPress or Python, I highly recommend you to follow all these projects for completely free, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check all these different videos. I'm sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.